Hi, I'm Kristen.
And I'm Doug.
And this is Travels and Travails.
Today we are going to discuss 6 ways to keep yourself safe on the trail. If you'd like to see more helpful videos like this one, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. Tip 1. Make a plan. Be sure to know the route before you go. Know how long each leg of the journey will take by understanding the mileage and the elevation profile of the trip. Be sure that you have proper maps or GPS coordinates and trip route. Edward Rosenthal headed out for a solo day hike in Joshua Tree National Park when he took a wrong turn. With no means of navigation, he was stuck in the hot desert for 6 days before he was rescued. Tip 2. Leave a map, itinerary, and an expected return time with a trusted loved one. In the movie 127 Hours, climber Aaron Ralston failed to let anyone know where he was going or when he would be expected home.
Hey there, Aaron. Is it true you didn't tell anyone where you were going? Oops.
Aaron cut his arm off to escape death. In contrast, climber David Ciccotello left a map with dates and campsite locations with his girlfriend. He also promised to call her on a set day. After his brother fell to his death, taking the rope with him, David was stuck on a ledge in Utah's No Man's Canyon. When David didn't call his girlfriend on the appointed day, she alerted authorities. David was rescued after being trapped on a ledge for 6 days. Tip 3. Know your limitations. In 2017, 49-year-old Boy Scout leader Michael Cann died of a heart attack after leading a group of scouts on a conditioning hike in 98-degree weather. Tip 4. Understand the trail hazards before you go. Check the weather. Know the avalanche conditions. Understand animal threats on the trail. Do you know what to do if confronted by a bear or mountain lion? Tip 5. Have appropriate gear, including your wilderness survival kit, also known as the 10 Essentials. Unfortunately for David Ciccotello, the climber mentioned earlier, he had very little food and water and no way to keep himself warm on that ledge. It's important to have gear appropriate for the trip that you are making. The 10 Essentials can save your life. Here are the 10 essentials. 1. Navigation. Map, compass, GPS, personal locator beacon, or satellite messenger. 2. Illumination. Flashlight or headlamp plus extra batteries. 3. Sun protection. Sunglasses, hat, long-sleeve shirt, and sunscreen. 4. First aid, including foot care and insect repellent. 5. Repair kit and tools. Knife or multi-tool, gear repair kit, and signaling device such as a whistle or mirror. 6. Fire. Matches, lighter, tinder, or stove. 7. Shelter. Emergency shelter or emergency bivvy. 8. Nutrition. This is nutrition beyond the minimum expectation. Carry a little extra food. 9. Hydration. Bring extra water and consider bringing a water filter. 10. Insulation. Hat, gloves, warm coat, rain gear. Just be sure to prepare for the worst weather. What do you carry for your 10 essentials? Tell us in the comments below. Tip 6. Hike with others and stay on the trail. Chase Scheinbaum was hiking the Alaskan Chugach Mountains alone when he lost the trail. Chase attempted to find his way out, but hypothermia set in. Sadly, Chase lost his legs. Every year in Yosemite, people die when they ignore the warning signs. In 2011, 3 young adults fell to their death when they crossed the barricade to take a photo on the mist trail at Vernal Falls.